How to change streaming quality to best in Prime Video. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily set your streaming quality to best at Prime Video. So first thing, just make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed your Prime Video, and make sure you are logged into your account as well. And simply click on this bottom right corner profile over here, and just click on settings at the top right corner. And from over here you will see the option called stream and download. Just click on it, and as you can see at the first option, the streaming quality is there. So simply click on it and make sure you have selected to best or better. So if you are using Wi-Fi, you can also turn this option, which will use highest quality on Wi-Fi. So once you set this, you will be streaming at the best or highest quality possible. So that's it for today's tutorial guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.